Hello there and welcome to Cubed Agency's audio blog. Each week we cover tips and tricks business owners and marketing managers should be using to successfully advertise their business. Today we're talking about how to get quality video content without paying for production. So, let's get right into it. How to get quality video content without paying for production. As you scroll through social media, what catches your eye more? Chunks of text or the rich color palette of live action animated video? Using videos in your marketing efforts is one of the most reliable tactics for reaching your target audience, especially with high quality production. Still, the price tag for these videos can be a bit hefty, and small to medium business owners can't always afford it. Rest assured that you are not out of options even with a modest budget. Here's how to get high quality video for your business without paying for production. How a high quality explainer video will boost your sales. Since Twitter took the marketing world by storm several years ago by introducing their audience to the platform in a short animated clip, explainer videos have become a staple in communication between business owners and consumers. What makes the practice so popular? The effectiveness of explainer videos lies in the inner workings of the human mind. Approximately 90% of all mental stimulus we experience is attributed to audio and visual cues. Using such stimuli in your marketing techniques improves conversion rates as a customer feels they have a better understanding of the product after watching a video ad. About 81% of consumers were persuaded to buy a product after having watched the video advertisement. The use of video alongside text is a foolproof way to draw your audience's attention and keep it. Still, success is not without a catch. High-quality explainer videos that will get views and therefore sales can cost anywhere between $5,000 and $35,000 per minute. Factors that influence this price include the studio you choose, the preferred animation style, and more. Though this may make it seem that creating the marketing video of your dreams is a lost cause, you are not at a loss. For help with producing the perfect video for your company, turn to Cubed Agency. How to make an explainer video without paying for production. Our geeks at Cubed Agency will produce the perfect explainer video to meet your needs without the astronomical cost. How? We have the unique capability to produce original content that will convert using only motion graphics and stock footage. Our approach eliminates the need for things like renting a venue for shooting, hiring models, and other surprise elements that can add up very quickly. All you have to do is tell us about your business, tell us about your product, and let us take it from there. Once we have all the key information, we will execute the necessary research, planning, design, and production on your behalf. You sit back, relax, and watch as your video drives increased traffic and sales to your business. The last thing you want when introducing your business or product to the market is to exceed your marketing budget. Neither do you want the profits from your successful video to go towards paying back the budget you took to produce it. Do yourself a favor, eliminate unnecessary costs and increase the revenue going straight into your company by choosing Cubed Agency's video production services. This week's audio blog was written by Matt Cassidy, our social media content writer, on May 28th, 2020. We post new blogs every Thursday, so don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to this newsletter by hitting that big pink subscribe button to get the latest news, blogs, videos, and updates to help your business grow. I'm 𝗫𝗏𝗏𝗘𝗏, your narrator for Cubed Agency's audio blogs. Catch us next Thursday, and don't forget, create content with purpose.